Now we see rise of capitalism. With the discovery of new sea route began a new era of trade between Europe and Asia. Many traders came forward to trade with eastern countries through the sea route. It was not easy to carry out trade single-handedly, and hence many traders came together and started trade. Thus there was a rise of many trading companies. Trade with the oriental country was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Hence European rulers started giving military protection and trade concession to these trading companies. This led to accumulation of wealth in Europe. This property was used in the form of capital for trade and commerce, which led to rise of capitalist economic system in Europe. Okay, I will explain this capitalism. With the discovery of new sea routes to the east, European traders started the trade. Many traders came together as it was not easy to carry trade single-handedly. This gave rise to many trading companies. Trade with the east was very profitable. Okay, the trade was trade with the east was very profitable. Trade means business. Okay, business relation. It with the east was very profitable. It was responsible for economic prosperity of the nation. The European rulers gave military protection and trade concession to this trading company, and the profit from the trade was further used in the form of capital for trade and commerce. This gave rise to capitalist economic system in Europe. Understand that capitalism means भांडवलशाही. Okay, now we see colonialism means वसाहतवाद. Colonialism means one country exploiting another country by making it into a colony. A powerful country on the basis of economic and military strength occupies another region and establishes its political supremacy. This is known as colonialism. It is the definition of colonialism. This tendency of colonialism led to rise the imperialism among the Europeans. Exploitation of one country by another and making it into a colony, that is colonialism. On the basis of economic and military strength, one country occupies another region and establishes its political supremacy. Okay, and colonialism gives rise to impartialism. Okay, now we see impartialism means साम्राज्यवाद. What is this? साम्राज्यवाद. In imperialism means साम्राज्यवाद. Imperialism means a system in which a powerful country controls other countries by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. Many countries from Asia and African continent fell prey to this imperialist aspiration of the European nations. Imperialism means a powerful country controls other underdeveloped country by establishing overall domination. Okay, and the objective of imperialism was to establish more and more new colonies. It is the objective of imperialism to establish more and more new colonies, and many European nations established their colonies in Asia and Africa. Okay, imperialism of British East India Company in India.